Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel once again. And
today we are going to be doing a kind of a chatty get ready with me as mentioned in the previous video, and we will be using mostly the products that I have ordered and discussed in the previous video. So yeah guys, let's just jump right into it.
now, before I start with the eyeshadow, as always I will prime with my Art Deco eyeshadow base. So because there isn't a color that's light enough for my underbrow area from ColourPop that I previously bought, the color Coppa Feel, it looks like, well, you can't see it because it's so pale. Oh, there we are. We're going in with this color, which is called Moonstruck. I hope that because the colors are in the back of the palette. Okay. Ooh, wow. Okay, actually, I will scoop you in closer so that you can actually see what I'm doing. I think that's better. What do you think? Okay, so we're going in with that color. I'm just putting it into the crease. And we're gonna go in with the darker color, which is the color Sparks Fly. And we are just going to tap the brush lightly. Now, I would recommend to be very gentle with this because they have quite a lot of kickback. But I would just gently tap them in, and we're just going to go into the crease, but a little lower where we have put that first color, and we are taking it a little bit further in and taking it down under the eye just a little bit, not too far in. Quickly blend those two colors together a little bit. There we go. This is how it looks so far. And I'm gonna take the same brush that applied the second color, and I'm gonna go in with the darkest color, which is the dark brown, and it's called Pulling Strings. And that one I'm literally just going to apply in the most inner V or outer V, as you will. And I'm just literally gonna pop it in there. And we're gonna blend it out again with the same brush as we previously used to blend out the lighter two eyeshadows. The color Two Pearls, which is this color here, and we're going to put it in the most inner corner. It looks to be very beautiful, so we're gonna test that out. Ooh. Yeah, definitely that is very pretty. I'm just gonna drag it in a little bit. We're going to use the color The Knot, which is this color here, to give the color, the Supernova shadow some base. Ooh, you know what? This looks a little bit like, quite a little bit like the color that I really liked in the Juvia's Place eyeshadow that I have reviewed last week. It has the same kind of shift ability, if you will. I think if you wanted to stop here you could. I think this is quite, you know, quite a nice look. However, we're going to take it there. Next I will be using the Supernova shadow. I love this packaging so much, oh my goodness. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, let's put it all. Okay. Oh my goodness. I'll take the brush that I put on that middle color and I'll just blend the edges to give it more of a smooth transaction. Now, I will say that does feel a little bit heavy on the eyes. I mean, I can definitely feel, but I'm assuming that after it dries down completely, probably that feeling probably goes away. We're gonna quickly pop on foundation, mascara, eyeliner, setting powder, and then we're going to come back for the lipstick and for the highlight. Okay. Okay, so we've done the rest of the face. Now I want to do the lipstick. Also, I don't know if you can see or not, I said I will not put the gel liner into my waterline, but I did, and you know what? I think it looks pretty fabulous. So I'm gonna go ahead and use Hello Stranger on my lips. Also, if you don't have a ColourPop lipstick, and I don't know if all of their ColourPop lipsticks smell like this, but this has a hint of a smell, of a sweet kind of a smell. Okay. I think I just might have found my new favorite lipstick. I don't actually know what to say. It is so beautiful. I think this kind of a lipstick would suit a lot of different skin tones, generally just a lot of different people, and it is so beautiful. It is very comfortable on the lips. And it was very easy to apply. I wouldn't say that it is patchy at all. I think it looks very evenly pigmented and it was really easy to apply. And it definitely has a shine to it, but I actually don't mind, even though I do prefer generally matte lipsticks or liquid lipsticks because I find they just last better and they look better on the lips. However, this might be a matte formula. Again, I will give you more information in the description below, but even though I liked all of the products so far, I think this is my favorite by far. It is so beautiful, and I think that the Moon Dancer liquid lipstick will just have to wait till next time because I'm not taking this off. I love it. I absolutely love it. And the last thing that we're gonna use today, which I'm super excited about, is the highlight in FLEXITARIAN. And I am really excited to see whether that's going to work out on my skin tone because I am rather fair. So we're gonna put the hair back. So this is really cool, but yeah, this is how the highlight looks. As said previously, if you have some texture on your face, it's definitely going to bring it to your attention. Now on my skin, when I look straight into the camera, I don't think you can see any grayness on the skin, which is great because some highlighters just do that. You can see them on your skin because they're sitting on top and they're casting off almost a gray kind of a color if you're looking straight or even talking to someone, for instance. But this one really doesn't have that. I don't think. I will later see when I add it, but at the moment I think it looks very beautiful, and it only really comes to show when I turn my face. And it is truly, I think this is my favorite highlight. I'm very happy with everything. Now the only thing I haven't tried today is the liquid lipstick, which I promise I will be trying up in an upcoming video. However, also as promised, I will do the swatches of all the products I ordered and of the products I have previously ordered from ColourPop, so that you can see my collection of ColourPop products. Gel liner in Crybaby first. The lipstick in Hello Stranger. Liquid lipstick in Moon Dancer. Supernova shadow in Walk of Fame. The highlight in FLEXITARIAN. Lipstick in Lumiere. Copperfield eyeshadow. I really have to press because it doesn't really wanna come out. I heart this. The knot, which is this color here. FBO, which is this purple color here. Regarding telling by the swatch, this might be more of a difficult color once you back. Cool. So yeah guys, this is my finished look with all my new ColourPop products that I have ordered. As you can see, I am full of color, and I think at this point it's just fair enough to pull the plug for this video.
And these are just two pictures to show how this looks like in pictures. So yeah, there you go.
But I'm definitely very pleased with the highlight. The lipstick is beautiful, and I will definitely get a lot of wear out of it. It also feels very comfortable on the lips, and the most important thing I think is that all these products are affordable. So yeah guys, this has been my opinion. I think that everything worked out really well, and I'm really happy with all the products and the way they have performed. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. If there is anything you would like me to do or review, please let me know, and if I can, I will. And yeah guys, this has been all for this video. Please take care wherever you are. Have a lovely day, morning, afternoon, evening, night, and I will see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye.